Hi there, I am Kim DeYoung, and what I want to spend a few moments with you sharing are a couple of tips that will help to get your ideas that are going on in your brain but maybe haven't made their way out into the world. So now and over the next couple of days, stay tuned because I want to share with you the special steps of my system that allow me both to get the things done that I do as well as to help entrepreneurs do them. Now, the very first step, and this is often what trips a lot of entrepreneurs up, is that we have so many ideas. We're really never at a shortage of ideas, but we don't always get those ideas out into the world. And why don't we do that? Well, sometimes we're overwhelmed. Sometimes we just may not know how to do the things that we need to do. And sometimes there's just some junk going on in our brain that keeps us from doing it. But regardless of whatever that fact is, I want to give you a clear, actionable step that you can take, and you can take it right away. So, step one is going to be that you need to get really, really clear on what is all the bigness of your vision. What are every idea that you have for your business? This is such a fun opportunity for you to really think big. When I was growing up, my dad always said to me, Kim, you've got to get the big picture. You've got to be really clear on the bigness of all that you want. And that has served me so well as an entrepreneur. So, as you head to the coffee shop, what I want to suggest that you do is to write down every idea that you have for your business. And this is the perfect opportunity to let your mind go free and wild. And do not hold yourself back. Do not limit yourself. Allow yourself to think of every product that you've wanted to create or service that you've wanted to create. Maybe you want to have some joint ventures. Maybe you have wanted to write a book or be on TV. Whatever it is, this is the perfect opportunity to document that for yourself and think in really great detail about all that stuff. Really do a great brain dump of all of that stuff. But then what you're going to want to do is you want to get clear on what is your short-term focus. What is it that's going to allow you to create momentum in the next 30 to 60 days to move your business forward? Now, that will differ for each of you. Some of you, to gain that momentum, you may need to make money. Others of you may need to build your list. And some others may need to really get your business platform clear. So whatever it is, depending on your choice, here's what you're going to want to do. Let's assume that you've made the choice that for you right now to create momentum, to open up a bottleneck, that you need to make money. You're going to want to look at that big list, and you're going to want to look at the things that can support you to make money right away. Now, realistically, it's going to be products or services. Those are the quickest ways to the cash. So for you, you're going to want to look at that list, say what products and services did you come up with? What fun ideas did you have? And you're going to want to choose one. That's all, just one. But you're going to want to choose one that's fun for you, one that energizes you, because this is where you're going to be spending your energy over the next couple of weeks. So here's the other point that I just want to share with you. As you choose the one thing that you're going to focus on right now, what that really means is that you're not choosing some other things. And I know for me that's often hard. I look at that list longingly and I think, but wait, that means I'm not doing those other things. Well, the beauty is because you've documented it, you can come back to it later. But the truth is, when you start focusing on a lot of different things, rarely do you get anything done. So what I'm suggesting is to make a change. Make a change right now to focus on one thing that's going to make a difference for you. And what you'll see is that in the next couple of days, I'm going to be sharing with you some additional tips for you. So what I want you to do is at the bottom of this page, I've provided a link to a handout that I want to give to you that will even walk you in greater detail through this exercise. So please grab that exercise and stay tuned. I'll see you in a couple of days as I share with you the next step of the system. Okay? Take care.